Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is episode 75 and we're going to go ahead and talk about what happened with my trading yesterday. So yesterday I ended up taking a loss. I was trading SPY. I actually entered into my first position, which was somewhat of a big position. I ended up putting up like about $370. Started to go in the direction that I anticipated that it was going to go, and then it just changed like drastically. So I end up trying, after that happened, I end up trying like a test to see, buying kind of like a hedge position. So like one call, one put, just to see where it would go. And the market was so choppy yesterday and so unpredictable, I end up also losing on those two. So I had no winning trades yesterday. So let's get into trading view, and I'll show you the first trade that I did, and then we'll go over the receipts. All right, so if you look on the screen right here, this is my first trade. I got the 500 put, 5 contracts at 74 cents. And you could see right here, this is my entry right around when the David Banner candle started forming. It got outside of this channel and dropped into this ascending channel, came all the way down. And at this point, I was actually up, and that's what I should have did. I should have took profits there because I anticipated that today would be the same as Monday, meaning Tuesday would be the same as Monday. Monday was kind of like a slow pace and it was kind of just like gradually going down. Well, this just got real choppy real quick. So end up going back up here, as you guys can see, just a bunch of huge Hulk candles. And then boom, gets up to here, you know, should I sell? Should I sell? Boom, comes back down. And then this consolidation just keeps going. But if you guys notice, it's just ascending as well. So I ended up getting out around here because I realized like the funds just keep going down and down. And as you guys can see, I got out. Let me zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. But it says here I got out right at this point. I sold all 5 contracts. Let me see if I can move this right. So I sold all 5 contracts right around here at 44 cents. So from 74 to 44, that was for me a huge loss. And then if you notice, for the rest of the day, it just kept going crazy. I got into another call here trying to, bet that it would go up. It went up for a little bit. Boom, hit this. Look at this, just massive David Banner candles. I was just off. I couldn't predict what was going on. At one point, it felt like I was trading against a computer. Literally, it felt like I wasn't trading against people. But this happens. You'll have days like this. The key is to stop the bleeding. Don't sit there in a hope. Oh my God, I know it's going to go in the direction I want it to go. Stop the bleeding, cut your losses, and then move on. And then I entered into another trade, but I didn't put it here. But what we're going to do now is we're going to hop into Robinhood and we're going to look at the receipts. All right, so here we go. Up on the screen, we have the first trade here. So I had a buy on SPY puts at 500, right, expiring the same day. So these were ODT options. This was 370. So I bought at 370, showed you guys that I lost $150 on this play. So I ended up selling at 220 because it, just kept losing and losing. The next one, I bought a call here at the 508 strike, expiring same day. And this was for 84. And then I end up selling this one for 52. So I lost like 30 something dollars on this one. And then on the second buy, I bought a put. So I bought these two together just to test to see exactly what was going on. And at one point they were both like in the red. And I was like, all right, forget this, I'm out. So this one I bought for this put, a 501, I bought for 71. And then I ended up also selling this for 36. So I made no profit yesterday. I ended up losing, what is that, 41% ROI. So negative 41% ROI. So let's put the numbers up on the screen and I'll go over it with you guys right now. So in terms of buying, I ended up putting up $525. I end up selling for 308. So I end up losing. My PL was negative $217 or negative 41% ROI. So the takeaway from this is for today, the plan is not to wait. So once I'm profitable, I'm taking profits. I will also try to do multiple trades and make each position smaller so I can go in and out, because I realize now the market is not moving as slow it was moving on Monday. So Tuesday was a rude awakening for me. Lesson learned. Yes, I did lose money, but you also have to remember something. That is just part of trying to build yourself up. It's like a journey. You are going to incur obstacles and losses while you're doing this. Anyone else that tells you, oh, we don't take losses, you take losses. Everybody takes losses if you're trading and you're a real trader. The thing is to try and stop the bleeding, like I said. Cut the losses as soon as possible when you realize the trade is not going in your direction. In the first trade, I kind of fumbled the ball because, like I said, I thought it was going to go back up, not realizing that the market was just moving so choppy. It is what it is. At the end of the day, every morning, I still set aside a certain amount of funds as my working capital. And to be honest with you, not saying that I want to, but if I end up losing my entire working capital trading, that would be okay because that's something that I budget for. The key is to, not make emotional decisions and don't get caught up in the moment. Realize what's going on, cut your losses. You could always go back in for another trade. All right. And that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. Today's Wednesday. It's a new day. We're back on it. We're revitalized. We're ready. I slept good. Let's get back to the bag. Peace.